made it to the cross hike, and I'm trying to vlog on my gimbal and my sunshine and rainbows and sunshine. She's in a bad mood today. Are you in frame? I can't see. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I brought out the drone today. We were trying to get it at sunrise. We gotta hike all that to, where's the cross at? I lost the cross. Oh, the cross is like there somewhere. So yeah, we brought out the drone. Did I brought my memory card for the drone? I don't know. Check it. You wanna check it? I just realized I don't know if I brought my my memory card. And a lot has happened. So like I said in the last vlog, I got a new job, and then last Sunday, today's Sunday, I bought my first car. And my plan was for today to like update you guys on whatever I've been doing and everything, but I want to make it cool, you know. I want to make you guys not just talk in my room and be like, oh, you know, I have this and that. But I wanted to bring out my drone, have a little cool vlog, explaining what I've been. But I forgot my damn SD card. That shit fucking sucks, bro. I am sad. Oh, bro, it's gonna take forever. So Lizette is not having it today. I made her wake up early to come do this, and then I forgot my SD card, so she's really mad. Her ankles are hurting for some reason. Look at her, she's all sad over there. Bro, the thing is heavy. I don't think I'm gonna be able to carry this the whole time. But I'm gonna try. But just look at the smooth shots though. I'm over here hiking and everything all smooth.
Imagine running this.
Alright, so now we're walking down the trail. It's not that long of a walk, honestly. It's like a 25-minute walk up the hill, and now we're gonna see how long it takes to walk down the hill. But yeah, we got some cool shots of the cross. The cross is somewhere over there. Let me see, where's the cross at? Where are you at? Oh, whatever. The cross is behind me. Like I said, I'm still sad about the drone. Yeah, we got some cool shots. Took some pictures, some Instagram bangers, hopefully. Yeah, like I was saying, I bought a new car. I feel all grown now. I have bills to pay now. Right now, when we get to the car, I'll probably get some cool cinematic shots of the car. And yeah, I got a new setup at home. I bought a monitor. I got a 25-inch LG monitor. If you guys want to see that, I'll post it if you guys want. Follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna try to post there more consistently, as best as I can now. Now that I work and have 2 jobs basically. But yeah, I got a new setup. I bought a little desk from Amazon, like $50. I bought the monitor. I bought a keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard. So when I'm editing, I have a full-on screen now. I don't have the little 13-inch screen from my MacBook. I have 25 inches to work with. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to come out here to try to get some content, so I could try out my new monitor. I'll probably get home, get some cool little shots of the monitor. If you're interested in buying it, I only bought it for $150. Not the best monitor, but it was a little start. Still disappointed of the drone. It would have been some cool shots. We tried to come at sunrise right now. It's like what, 8:30 a.m.
Yep.
We've been here an hour.
2 hours.
2 hours. We've been here 2 hours, and now we're walking down. And then Daniel is low key like learning how to use all my stuff. So he might be my assistant when we go do shoots. Yeah, if talking about shoots, if you want to shoot a music video, hit me up. I'm available on the weekends.
Or a photo shoot.
We're doing photo shoots now too? Yeah, if you want a photo shoot, DM me. And follow my Instagram. I'm gonna tag it down below, so make sure to fucking follow that shit. I haven't really posted that consistently there on that one, but I want to post more. Hopefully I'll be posting more, be more active on it. I just haven't gone out. Hopefully right now that the weather is better and we're able to go out and shoot more. Let us get to the car and I'll shoot some little cinematic b-roll to show you guys my car. It's not my favorite car. It's not nothing special, but it's my first car, so it was a used 2015 car. Got it for 16, so should be fun. We should go to McDonald's or just go home and eat. What do you say, Daniel? McDonald's or home?
Is your mom home?
McDonald's.
Mom's working.
Then McDonald's.
Look who decided to join us. So I want you to explain to the vlog why you didn't go.
Why you didn't go?
Uh-huh.
Well, I did come with y'all.
Uh-huh.
I just didn't go on the hike. I only made it not even a quarter of the way.
Why? What happened to you? Explain to the vlog what happened.
The past 2 weeks already, maybe 3 weeks, I've been having really bad swelling in my ankles, and one of them's gotten like really painful.
1.1 miles
and
to the left.
a really painful like upper back, kind of like on your neck too. It's not normal at all. So there. Explain.
Oh. Alright, so we just came to Costco because the lady over here wanted to buy a...
Guys! Oh, you put it all the way in the back, you son of
Go get it.
My ladies that watch this, right? Let me take this. Do you see how huge this is? Huge, guys. And for my girls and maybe some guys know that these in like Walmart or Target can cost like $50 or more for like a smaller one, and this one's big. You can see everything. And I already have a nice light up mirror at home. Like it's a light and then a mirror like I bought, and it's all nice and stuff, but this gives that halo around your eyes. So and it was $15. Costco, you are clutch. I'm officially a Costco holic.
We're right now it's been 10 a.m. It feels like we've been up for so long. We got up at 5 in the morning. My cousins are gonna go over and then I'm gonna cut their hair. Go home and set up everything and show you guys the new setup also in my barber shop at home. I got a barber chair, an actual barber chair. A little beat down. I got it used from another barber. I got it for the low. I got it for 50 bucks. And it's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys that when we get home. Alright, so I just got done cutting hair. And like I said, I'm gonna show you guys my new chair. right now I just got done doing my 2 quick fades. I did 2 tapers on my cousins, and if you guys want me to do a quick setup video on my whole setup, I just bought a new monitor, bought a new little desk. But yeah, it was just a quick update video, show you guys what I've been up to the past few weeks. It's been a while, so I'm very devastated that I forgot my SD card. I really wanted to get some drone footage and practice driving my drone. I really want to get good at it, so when I do bring it out, it's very cinematic shots like always. Hopefully I'll do this again soon, but on to the next one.